Hey, have you ever faced issues while scaling and maintaining your test automation suites? Oh yes, it's a headache. But I recently learned some cool tips for overcoming these challenges. Tip 1: Modular test design. By breaking down test cases into smaller, reusable components, we can easily maintain and scale our automation suites. Tip 2: Data-driven testing. By separating test logic from test data, we can execute the same test logic with various data sets. Data-driven testing significantly improves scalability. Tip 3: Continuous integration and continuous testing. Automated testing during CI enables early detection of defects and ensures faster feedback to developers. Scalability is improved by running tests in parallel across different environments. Tip 4: Robust error handling and reporting. Proper error handling ensures graceful recovery when a test fails. Comprehensive reporting helps identify and prioritize issues, enabling quicker resolution and better maintenance. Tip 5: Regular code reviews and refactoring. Code reviews allow team members to identify potential bottlenecks, readability issues, or areas for optimization. Periodic refactoring helps in cleaning up the codebase, eliminating technical debt, and making it more maintainable. By adopting these tips, we can effectively scale and maintain our advanced test automation suites. Better collaboration, quicker feedback cycles, and a more robust testing process overall.